I think that there might be some cultural differences, but we are lacking of a reporting standard, and this might be something we should work on in the future. Hello, my name is Rainer Kirchmair. I am the Chief Financial Officer of the Diocese of Innsbruck. I've been working for the church for 18 years now, as a manager for charities, as a consultant, and since 2019. The most important thing for me is the cooperation, the communication between all these people coming from different dioceses and seeing what efforts are being made, especially when it comes to accountability and to transparency. It is very important that lay people and clergy work together. Lay people, as I am, may be specially trained, but it is very important that the clergy knows basic things about reporting and accounting. And I think if this cooperation is on a level where all the people bring in their best charisms, then it will be for the good of the church. A very interesting session was the one about the finances in the Vatican. I see that we are all on one track and want to achieve a similar goal, as I think, to be more transparent than we were before. I think it would be a good idea to have one reporting standard for all the parishes, all the churches, all the dioceses. Even though there might be differences, what a diocese may make public in their own political environment, we should have, at least for our intern purposes, some kind of scheme that equals all differences from different legislations all around the world.